In Ayurveda, everything in nature, including your body, is made up of 5 elements: space, air, fire, water, and earth. These combine into 3 constitutional types called doshas. They're like bioenergies. And maybe you have known or you have heard them before. They are vata, pitta, and kapha. If you're new to this and want a fuller picture, I've linked a beginner's guide in the show notes. It gives you a clear overview without the overwhelm. So we move through the doshas seasonally too. Spring is kapha season. It has heavier, slower, wetter qualities. As we move into summer, we shift into pitta territory. The qualities of the season change, and the body needs to change with them. Pitta dosha is fire and water combined. Its qualities are those of the elements: hot, sharp, light, and penetrating. In the body, pitta governs digestion, metabolism, and the hormonal system. It also shapes how you think and how you respond. When pitta is balanced, you feel it. You're focused, decisive, energized. Digestion is strong. There's a sharpness to your thinking that feels good, clear, rather than pressured. That's pitta working well. When pitta tips, those same qualities become too much. The sharpness becomes irritability. The focus becomes intensity. The heat that drives you starts to drain you instead. Now, here's something interesting. And once you hear it, it makes total sense. Ayurveda works on a simple principle. Like increases like. Whatever quality is already present in your body or your mind, adding more of the same amplifies them. So summer carries the same qualities as pitta dosha: hot, sharp, light, penetrating. So if pitta is already your dominant energy, summer doesn't just warm you up, it adds heat to already existing heat. And here's a way to think about it. So you wouldn't put on a woolly jumper if you feel already hot. That instinct makes complete sense. But most of us haven't applied the same logic yet to food, exercise, or how we push through the day. Spicy food, intense workouts, long stretches of mental pressure. In summer, these tip pitta further. The body is already managing heat. Adding more asks it to work even harder than it needs to already. This is why pitta types can feel increasingly drained as the summer progresses. And it is completely normal because the season asks you to adapt. And just so you know, kapha and vata types, cooler by nature, they often find summer genuinely agreeable. The heat balances them rather than tipping them. If you've noticed that some women seem to open up in the summer while you're quietly wilting, that's why.